Hi, Mark T. the Handyman here. Today, we're going to put some sliding drawers on these two shelves to make the items a little bit more accessible. Here is the parts list and our tool list for this project. First, we have 2 drawer organizers, 6 nano double-sided adhesive tape. We will not be using the raising pads for this installation, and 6 wood screws for each drawer. As far as tools, we have a measuring tape and a cordless drill with a Phillips head bit. The first thing we need to do is take a clean rag and wipe off any dust or debris or dirt that might be on the 2 existing shelves that we are going to be installing the new drawers on. Next, we are going to peel off the protective film from the one side of the nano adhesive tape and stick the adhesive tape to the sliding track. We will be doing this on all 3 of the sliding tracks. Next, we will measure the width of the door opening so that we know if the new drawer will fit inside the space in the cabinet. Next, we will take the adjustment drawer and place it inside the cabinet itself on the existing shelf. There is an arrow which will tell you which side is the front side. Once we get the sliding door positioned properly in the cabinet, we are going to draw a line on the center of the sliding drawer so we will know where the drawer adjustment line is. Next, I'm going to draw some lines marking where the drawer slides are, so when we remove the adhesive tape, we will know where to put the slides on the shelf. Now it's time to remove the adhesive strips from the bottom of the drawer slides and place the drawer slides and the drawer back into the cabinet, making sure to line them up with the previous drawn location marks. Once the drawer and the slides are in the proper position, then press down on the drawer to make sure that the adhesive tape is secure. Underneath the drawer are 3 release tabs. You will need to pull the drawer out, and once the drawer is fully out, you will be able to see a little release tab on each of the slides. When you push the tab to the left, it releases the drawer from the slide. You will have to do this to all 3 of the slides while pulling on the drawer itself. Once you do that, you will be able to pull the drawer off of the slides and out of the cabinet. Now we are going to take the 6 wood screws that came with the installation kit and install 2 screws on each of the slides. 1 screw on each of the slides in the front and in the center. Next, we are going to take a 1-inch wood screw that did not come with the installation kit and place the wood screw on both ends of the right side slide and then on the left side slide in the back of the slides. These 2 screws will secure the existing cabinet shelf that the new sliding drawer will be resting on so the shelf cannot move back and forth. Next, we are going to reinstall the sliding drawer back in place, and that will complete the installation. As you can see, the doors open and close without touching the new sliding drawer. Now we are going to repeat the installation procedure on the second drawer above the drawer we just installed. The installation instructions are the same as the drawer we just installed, so this will be a quick view of the same procedure. So I got the drawers in. They seem to work pretty smooth. Sure seems like it's going to be easier to get the items out of the cabinet than before. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. I sure would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.